What is going on, you amazing human being? Today we are going to continue talking about Grok3 from XAI, which can be found at x.ai, and there's also an app in the applicable app stores or Google Play or wherever you get your apps from. I want to talk about today specifically how it applies to the real estate industry and how you can apply it to your business today to make yourself more efficient, quicker, bigger, better, faster. Just make yourself a more amazing agent, and at the end of the day, just streamline your results. But with that said, let's dig into this super quickly. I want to make this fast. I want to keep it less than 7 or 8 minutes for you. I want to get you in, get you out, and get you educated. First and foremost, market analysis. We can ask Grok3 to pull real-time trends from X and directly from the web, like shifts in buyer demand or neighborhood buzz, and get insights in minutes. Honestly, it's super powerful. But at the end of the day, the new kid on the block is Grok3, and it's super fast. That was the first thing that caught my eye about it, is just how blazing fast it is, and the ability to have it reach into X and reach into local web data and get results instantaneously. It's super fast for market analysis. Also, property valuations. We can upload a title report or property details, and Grok3 can break it down, flagging issues or estimating value based on current data. So that's a pretty wide guardrail. We want to step with caution through that. But what it's basically saying is upload your documents. It's going to review the documents for you, and it's going to flag any issues and potentially do a CMA. So take that with a grain of salt. But what I would use it for, what I would recommend using it for, is uploading your title report and just saying, are there any issues that you should bring to my attention? Anything I should be aware on this title report? Now, it's not an excuse for you to not review the title report and not to read it on your own, but it's an extra set of eyes that it can review it as well and say, hey, maybe you want to look at this. Maybe you want to acknowledge or see a new easement runs through the background that was just established in a few years ago, or something along those lines. Because at the end of the day, team, we're human, right? We get fatigued, we get tired, maybe we forgot our glasses, we're trying to review a title report. It's just another set of eyes for us to take a look at it and maybe highlight any things that we should be looking at. Comps made easy. We can train Grok3 to run comparable sales for our area. And what I like about this is we can train it. I like the ability to make variances as we go along, saying, hey, I'm doing a comparative market analysis for a property at 123 Sesame Street. It does have recent upgrades as of this year. Total upgrades are allocated as a cost of. There's an additional bedroom that was added recently that is not yet reflecting on title. This is important, right? This is something we deal with, boots on the ground, real world experience. Please make adjustments for these variations. If you have an old appraisal, even better, upload that and have that scrub it with the basic web knowledge and come up with a CMA of a wide range, if you will. So again, it's not doing your job for you. It gives us the ability to assist us in our job without doing our job for us. Any CMA that I do, I always plug all the information into AI first, have it reviewed just to offer additional insights, maybe different perspective, things that I didn't find on the MLS, it may find for me. So I use it as another tool, another resource to help me, equip me, another arrow in my quiver to make me a better, more equipped agent. Hopefully you do the same. I've done trainings on this extensively, but the ability to create a quick script for a listing presentation. What I like about Grok3 and even GPT is they all have their own little nuances. They have their own little personalities. So if I ask Grok3 to create me a script for a listing presentation and I ask GPT to create a script for a listing presentation, they're going to be slightly different, which is kind of cool because then I can mix and match and find one that's more in line with my linguistic ability and my style. Lastly, client questions. The consumers we are working with today, and I think it's an amazing thing, are the most educated consumers in terms of access to data, knowledge, and information of any clients that we've dealt with in the past. So they're going to ask some tough questions. They're going to have readily available data. They're going to say, hey, did you see this? How about that? I read this. Take a look at this article. Stuff is being pitched to us very quickly. We have to be able to receive this, digest this, and provide a professional response. So the ability to have Grok3 process this information and help us formulate some responses is an extremely powerful resource. Grok3 is the new kid on the block. I'm a fan. this week. I am an absolute fan. I'm looking forward to bigger, better, badder, faster stuff that's coming out. What an amazing time to be alive, to be in the midst of this technological renaissance. Lean in on these tools, test them, use them, try to break them. But at the end of the day, team, leverage them to let them and allow them to assist you in your business, to make you more efficient, to make you quicker, to make you streamline, to better serve your client. I want to remind you, I believe in you. I want you to believe in you. You're absolutely powerful. So get out there and get after it. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.